What's up, YouTube? So I just wanted to document this lemon habanero plant and this shishito plant that's next to it. This lemon habanero is a few months old now. I overwintered it. I planted it last fall. I'll just have to check my videos and see when, but I planted it last fall along with that shishito. And this is what I have. So I've been having all type of different shapes of pods forming on it. Like salsa right there. Look at that. Alien saucer. A few of them have that type of shape, and a few of them have this type of shape, the smaller ones. But it looks like the larger they are, the more they have that saucer shape. But this one has. So I don't know if the light's good right there. And they're huge. So when I put coffee grounds on them too, the size of these peppers started, it shot through the roof. And I still have lots of flowers coming, flowers and peppers forming. So I have a lot of these buds that's already formed. They're all over. I have just as many fruiting buds forming as I have fruits on this plant, as you can see from the top. They're all in between each of the nodes, and all of them are either flowering or fruiting. So I have well over 50 peppers on this plant, so I'm gonna assume by the time all those finish fruiting, it's gonna be about 100. And these shishitos. So they're starting to make some long, slender pods now. So I wonder if cause this is their second season, but this is their first season producing though. I may harvest this one to cook with. Like how this one looks. I'm gonna grab one of those habaneros, doing popping in my pot now, so I can cook some of that heat out of it. So I got a lot of them. Oh, this one could have sat for another day or so. See how small these are compared to this one. So this was before the coffee grounds, but I was still using fertilizer. And this was after the coffee grounds. And there was actually nothing wrong with my plants. I just used the coffee grounds just to see what they do. I got them free from Starbucks. And these things took off. I'm telling you, my foliage is beautiful. You don't see any yellow leaves or anything. I didn't come do anything to this plant before I came and did the video. I'm cooking right now. So yeah, guys. Yeah, flower petals coming all over here. I'm gonna have to harvest more peppers. That's what I wanted to show y'all. I'll show y'all a couple of new starts I have coming on. The Dragon Cayenne looks like it's about to die out, so I didn't bother showing it. Pineapple plant. So here we have the Ho Chi Minh hot pepper. It's supposed to be a yellow cayenne. Oh yeah, there's a mother duck in here, so I'm gonna be careful around her. God, she was in there. You see she's right there. You might not be able to tell. Finish this. Have the petite Marcietta sweet pepper. These are tomatoes. Bulgarian carrot hot pepper. Golden Marconi sweet pepper, Fatale hot pepper, Daytail hot pepper, orange habanero hot pepper, and over there, I forgot next to that Ho Chi Minh, I had Caribbean red hot pepper. So I'm gonna have a few more hot peppers on the way. I have this Cubanelle putting out. This Cubanelle starting to put out some peppers. They're not large yet. Those things get huge. Cubanelle. Then over here I have the Sugar Rush Peach. Starting to put out a lot of flower buds. It looks like the pepper's starting to turn peach. So that still has some time to bake on that plant. Alright. Y'all looking beautiful. Some yellow tomatoes coming on. Yeah, guys, so it's my harvest for today, guys. I'm gonna have a few more peppers coming up. Pretty sure I'll be able to get a harvest off of them before winter comes, and hopefully I'll be able to overwinter every pepper that I do grow this year, just like I overwinter these two. So these, you can see Shishito is flooded with peppers. It is hanging on there. Yeah, so I overwintered this and this right here. They're grown from containers with bottoms, with no bottoms. As you see, there's a bunch of fertilizer right there I just threw in there. Just because I don't know if the coffee grounds really, but I mean, the coffee grounds have them putting out a lot of blooms. This is from the coffee grounds. So I just put that fertilizer on yesterday. They didn't start putting out those blooms from that fertilizer. It's just gonna help boost their blooms, whatever they might be missing. Oh yeah, Dragon Cayenne dying out. Let this die out, and I'm gonna come swap this out with the Ho Chi Minh yellow cayenne, Vietnamese cayenne pepper. It's a yellow one, and cause I thought this had a bottom. I thought it had its bottom cut open on it, but it didn't. So since it doesn't have its bottom cut open, I'm gonna come put one with a smaller container with its bottom cut open, so I can fit around this banana tree. I'm gonna have a bunch of peppers all around it. See, I got some watermelons coming on. Yeni Dunya watermelon. It's a Turkish watermelon plant. Got about 4 of them right here. Plants. Alright guys, that's my update.